Hey guys, today we're going to have a look at the Sparrows lockpick set. The tuxedo, slimline, nylon robust pouch, velcro catch, comes with 6 picks. All the picks are at 0.025 made of American 301 cold pressed stainless, smooth finish. The 6 picks are diamond, the traditional diamond pick, hook pick, hook pick of a little diamond at the end, or a hybrid, rake pick, snake type pick for raking, and a newer type profile, which is a city profile, or it's cuts of a key pick. Tension wrenches come in a variety. Over 6 tension wrenches to cover, and they come in a variety of thicknesses to give you more core control. So there's different thicknesses to suit different keyways. So restricted keyways might have a lot of profile in the cylinder core, might suit that type of tension wrench. Thin type. Also, the picks being 0.025 suit restricted, high security or European cylinders, as well as common household cylinders. They're an all-round pick set. They're great. This pick set's available from locksmithstoolbox.com for under $40. That's with delivery. Come and check it out at locksmithstoolbox.com.